What will you get with the PTE Map? You will learn the test structure, how to do the test step by step. You'll learn how the score system works, the questions that you need to focus on, and the questions that you don't have to waste your time on. You will understand how to answer each question with crucial tips for each one. And you will have approximately 31 classes covering all types of questions, and we will practice with examples for you to understand better how the test works. And you will learn from someone who got 90 in all the modules of the test, which is the highest score. So you can trust all the tips that I'm giving you in this course. And you will receive all the templates that you need, and with crucial tips from before booking the test to after doing the test. So save time by not having to spend hours and hours researching, and save money by increasing your chances to get a better score and not having to do the test again. This course is perfect for all the scores if you need to get 30, 50, 65, 79, and even 90. Welcome to the PTE Map. My name is Julia, and I had to do the PTE test 5 times until I got the score that I needed for my visa. I spent hours and hours researching and trying to understand what I needed to do in the test because I kept not getting the score that I needed, until I finally created a map for myself with all the right information in it. And I finally got the score. Even better, I got the highest possible score in the test. And I decided to share this map with you because I know how hard it is to find someone you can trust with the right information, especially for a test that is so important as this one. Don't risk wasting time and money by not getting the score that you need and having to do the test again. The PTE is an expensive test. It's approximately $450, and if you consider your workday as well, you will spend approximately $700 just by doing the PTE test. So you have to take it seriously. Between the 5 times that I had to do the PTE test, it cost me approximately $3,500. You don't need to feel lost when studying for this test. Don't make the same mistakes I made by trying to study by myself without the proper guidance and wasting so much time. So make the right decision now. Click on the green button and save a lot of time. And to pay an access for this course, we use a trusted platform, the Hotmart.com, that is a secure and professional online learning platform trusted by millions of students. Are you ready to succeed? Click the green button and join the PTE Map. The first step is the most important one. Don't waste your time studying without the proper guidance. Start now. See you in the first class.